Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down, and as you can see right here we've got the section where we can change the sound for ringtone, notification and alarm. So let's tap on phone ringtone. And here we've got two different modes. So we've got the classic one and generative. So the classic is basically a standard ringtone experience, and in generative there is dynamically generated glyph ringtones with automatic assignment to individual contacts. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. I will discuss both. So let's start with the classic. Here we've got the section for all contacts. So just tap on this default ringtone, and as you can see in the sound library, we've got nothing signals, so it is the section. So just tap on it. And here we've got the first one, which is crossing, and just by swiping we can check. Oh my god. Sorry. So just by swiping you can check the specific signals, whether you like them or not. It is also associated with these glyph lights. If you want to, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher here, and you will only hear the sound without the effect right here on the lights. So it's up to you. So let's pretend I like this one maybe. So just set it right here on the screen and tap on the tick icon, and from now on this option will be applied as a default ringtone, and it will be applied for all the contacts. You can custom the contact, so you can choose the specific contact, for example this one, and choose a different sound, for example the wizard, and tap on the tick icon again to confirm. And as you can see right here you've got them listed. Alright, we've got also this generative option, so let's tap on it. And here for all contacts we've got default sound engine. We've got only two options, so we've got this one and this chemical one, and again you can customize the sound only, or the lights that will be turned on also. So it's obviously up to you. And just tap on the tick icon if you'd like to apply it. So this is how it works. This is how to change the ringtones, and of course from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.